Hi, this is GK Reddy. Here I have a beautiful problem from geometry. In this, we have a rhombus with side 1 and a square with side x. From this figure, if the green area is maximum, we need to find out the value of x. So this is the question. In this, we have to find out the value of x. For that, let us take the same figure and rotate like this. Okay, I have rotated the figure like this. From this, I am going to take some calculations. Let us take this value as x by root 2 because the diagonal of a square is root 2x. This is also going to be x by root 2. Okay. From Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the value of y from the figure, that is y square plus x by root 2 whole square equals to 1. From this, you will get the value of y as square root of 2 minus x square by root 2. Okay, from this information, we can calculate the diagonal of rhombus. Diagonal 1 of rhombus is 2x by root 2, that is diagonal 1, and diagonal 2 of the rhombus is 2y, and y value already we have here. We have y value here. Okay, from this we can substitute y value, and we need to find out the green area, that is green area equals to area of rhombus minus area of square. We know the area of rhombus is half d1 into d2, and area of square is, that is side square. Here side is x. So here d1 d2 values are there and y value is there. On simplification, you are going to get the area of green portion as x into square root of 2 minus x square minus x square. This is the area of green shaded. Let us take this green shaded as A. Green shaded I am taking as A. Then transpose this x square outside and do squaring on both sides. A plus x square whole square, that is equals to x square into 2 minus x square. Okay, simplify this and write in the form of 2x power 4 plus 2x square into a minus 1 plus a square equals to 0. So from this, by using quadratic formula, we can find out the value of x square, that is minus 2 times a minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac, that you will get 4 into a minus 1 whole square minus 8a square by 2a, that is 4. So on simplification, you are going to get minus of a minus 1 plus or minus square root of 2 minus a plus 1 whole square by 2. Okay, so this is what we got. Since x square is a real number, the value under square root must be greater than or equals to 0. The value under square root is 2 minus a plus 1 whole square must be greater than or equal to 0 because x square is a real number. From this, we can find out the maximum value of a as root 2 minus 1. In the question, area of green portion is maximum, therefore you have to consider the value of a as root 2 minus 1 because he said the green area is maximum. Substitute this a value into this equation and simplify, you are going to get x square equals to minus root 2 minus 2 plus or minus square root of 0 by 2 you will get. This is what you will get on substitution. Just simplify and you are going to get x square equals to 2 minus square root of 2 by 2. We need to find out the value of x when the area of green portion is maximum. Here we have taken the maximum area of green portion as the root 2 minus 1, and substituting a equals to root 2 minus 1 in this quadratic formula, we are going to get the value of x square. From that we can obtain the value of x as a square root of 2 minus square root of 2 by 2. That's it. This is the answer we need to find out. If the area of green portion is maximum, then what is the value of x is the question. That is what we have calculated here. I hope you have enjoyed the solution. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.